Alright, so I'm just gonna be running through my final high fidelity prototype. So just one of the things that I did change was a lot of people in class suggested that I add a sort of title here, so I just put Join the Brotherhood, Find Your Home with Phi Kappa Psi. And as for the footer of the website, which will show up on every web page, I did add all of our social media platforms, and they are linked. My internet is slow, but there. Yeah, so it'll just link to all of our social media pages. Then another main thing that I changed is up here. I did use our crest as kind of the website header instead of just having the words Phi Kappa Psi. Another thing I switched up was I did add in-depth descriptions of all of our different core values. So I just had filler in there before, so I did change that. I did get people's pictures and add them in here, so this is all fleshed out now, and I have everybody's position and their actual headshot on there. As for recruitment newsletter, all of that stayed the same. There wasn't really much I was going to add to there. Really, the main things was just to finish taking out all of the filler stuff that I had on there, as well as adding a few things that were suggested in class, such as the title and also the crest instead of words up in the corner. I really think that this, just going off the questions from the assignment, I think that I did do a good job of kind of fleshing out everything that I wanted to have for this website, and I believe there's a lot more that could be developed in actually using this as the actual website for the fraternity. So I think there's a lot of promise with this and a lot more development to come in the future.